So as we approach the hazard markings, we'd ease off the gas, checking the rear view mirror and the right door mirror. We'd be signalling to the right. When turning right, we'd normally look at positioning to the right of our lane. But you must be careful not to cross or straddle the white lines. Now for your speed, when you're starting out, your instructor may ask you to stop at the giveaway. So on approach, we'll be looking at progressively reducing our speed and stopping as close as we can to the giveaway. When stopping at giveaways, we wouldn't want our tyres to be on the giveaway markings. That would mean the front end of our car is overhanging onto the new road, which has its dangers. We must look to check it's safe before emerging to the right, so we'd observe to the left, to the right and to the left, and we'd continue to observe until we're certain it's safe to emerge. We want to start our observations as early as we possibly can. So we observe as we're approaching, we observe at the giveaway, and it's important we continue to observe even after we've decided to commit to the new road. Finally, let's look at our judgment. How do we know if it's safe to emerge? When you're emerging to the right, we'll need to make two separate judgments. We'll be crossing a line of traffic and joining a line of traffic. In short, when joining or crossing, we must not cause following traffic to have to slow down or overtake. Crossing a line of traffic is very much like crossing the road. If you feel you can walk across comfortably, we should be able to drive across. However, joining a line of traffic requires more time, so we'll have to allow time to join the line of traffic and build your speed to avoid causing following vehicles to have to slow down or overtake.